Sunflex bifold doors have been sold worldwide for over 35 years. This is the Sunflex SF75 Eco. It has been specifically designed to keep the heat inside your room whilst keeping out the wind and the rain. Between the inside and the outside aluminium frames, there is a massive 44mm multi-chambered thermal break, and that means the heat is not going to escape through the aluminium frames and stay inside your room, which is going to save on heating bills and also make the room feel more comfortable. The outer frame of the 75 Eco has a double rebate. That's 2 points for the door to close tight against, and this helps ensure the outside stays outside. Many other door systems just have one rebate to close against, but the 75 Eco has twice that. When the doors are folded open, to hold them together, the Sunflex doors have a unique anti-slam locking panel catch. And this means no matter how hard the wind blows, they cannot be slammed shut in the wind. This single door remains locked onto that next panel. Also, if someone tries to pull the door away from that, it stays together so the doors don't get used in the incorrect manner. Many other systems are just a basic magnet, so any wind or anyone trying to use the doors incorrectly, this door will instantly disengage from the next, and then the doors start to drop down, and you might get servicing issues over time, and of course it could slam shut. But with the Sunflex doors, no matter how hard you try, they're always going to stay in the same position. And then to close them, you just pull nice and safely from inside. Once the doors are closed, the locking panel catch automatically releases the next panel, so you never need to touch that panel catch, and then the door automatically releases away. You can tell when it's a Sunflex bifold door as the handle is in line with the door frame, whether the doors are closed or open. And this means when you stand back and look through the doors, there is nothing interrupting your view. It's so much better than having a handle that sticks into your view and then you're having to see the outside of the back handle. So having that door in line means your view is nice and clean and uninterrupted. The SF75 Eco has excellent security. With Secure by Design accreditation, a police approved membership scheme, and also Pass 24, which is a must for any new builds, and you use security laminate glass in the doors. The locking is via a metal chute bolt rod hidden inside the door frames, going into the top and the bottom track, pulling the doors nice and tightly closed, along with additional locking into the side. You have the option on the outside of the main door to have no key lock on the outside and just have that on the inside only. And firstly, it looks great because you've got no silver key lock on the outside of the door. And with the colour matched inline door handle, it gives you a really nice, clean, contemporary look, and there's no starting point for any potential burglars. That double rebate on the outer frame now also helps with the security. Anyone trying to force something substantial through the main door would hit an instant solid rebate, so the door cannot be prized open. And there's also the additional rebate on the inside as well. This means with double rebates, you don't have to have a full height lock bar, a nice silver section all the way down there. So with a Sunflex door, it can look nice and clean. There are two different bottom track options for the 75 Eco. Firstly, there is the weathered track, and this is the one with the double rebates, the ultimate for keeping out the wind and the rain. If the doors are opening to the outside, you can finish your internal floor flush with the top of that track. So there's nothing to step over as you go outside, but just to step down. Secondly, there is the low level track, and this is the one to use if you want the same level of floor for that flush look between the inside and outside. And the low level track is recessed into your floor, and unlike a lot of other low level or flush track systems on other bifold doors, this one comes with a weather rating. So it has a 14mm rebate at the bottom for the doors to close tight against, and this gives you the weather rating and also gives you that lovely flush look as well. With all these unique features that you simply won't find on any other bifold door, along with the thermal efficiency to keep the heat inside your room, reducing your heating bills and also reducing carbon emissions, making it an eco-friendly door. Also with the double rebate frame, keeping out the wind and the rain, the 75 Eco is the bifold for the future.